Welcome to C programming with programming ABC. It is my fourth video GTK programming. Change level to button tutorial. In this tutorial I will show how to create text entry and relationship between button label and text entry. Let's start. GTK widget txt entry GTK widget entry, and after button event G signal connect, make space entry entry txt entry equal GTK entry GTK entry new. Now put this entry into fixed widget, a fixed container. GTK fixed put GTK fixed txt entry 200 and 200. Entry box created after two button but below two button. Now add function, remove this event, this two event also delete. CONS constant CHR constant star INPUT input equal GTK GTK underscore entry get GTK entry get text first bracket GTK and GTK entry again first bracket txt entry semicolon. Input from text entry. Now this input set into label GTK label set set text first bracket GTK GTK label label comma constant gchar input semicolon. Now run again. HELLO hello world WORLD hello world. since hello world. GTK C PROGRAMING GTKC programming. It's working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.